James.
Fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up.
Di, kargahin.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your
Naiiyak
hands
ako.
you're mine.
Diyan lang po kayo, Daddy James. Tatawagin mo na po natin si Papa Norman. Dance lang po, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Picture. Ikaw sa picture.
You between my arms.
Taksi! Taksi!
Cross.
Bigay mo to.
Listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved a mess, I whispered underneath my breath.
Taksi.
Heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Ikaw magbigay mo.
Okay, stay lang tayo dyan, Papa Norman. Tawagin natin, Nino Rene.
I hope that someday we'll share our home. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry
Dance lang po tayo.
We are still kids, but we're so in love. Fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright.
Stay lang tayo dyan, Nino Rene. Dahil kasunod na dito ay si Kuya Prince.
You're gonna be mine.
Diyan lang kayo, Nino Rene. Dance lang po.
Bigay mo pati.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Kuya Prince. So dance kayo, dance. Dito tayo. Adjust tayo konti sa gitna. Gitna tayo.
Barefoot on the grass.
Listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in
Diyan ka lang, Kuya Prince. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang pag-dance. Dahil next natin ay si Kuya Avanshaw.
darling, you
Nahihiya siya. Ala? Nahihiya na siya. Nahihiya. Si daddy na lang daw, si daddy.
Okay, si Daddy na lang. Dance lang kayo, Kuya Prince. Dance lang.
Kay ka lang.
Dance lang.
Ayaw ng ano.
deserve it.
Okay, yeah.
Green.
Okay na po, sir.
Tatagilin ng flower. Ito na, bigay sa akin.
Let's follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
Diyan lang kayo, Daddy. Next natin si King. Palakpakan naman na si King.
Waiting for me.
Okay, dance kayo ni ate.
Fell in love, not knowing what it was.
Ang ginagawa ko, King. Ayan, cha-cha.
Darling, just kiss me.
Yes, for our 7th dance. Siyempre, ang kapatid na nating birthday girl. Palakpakan po namin, guys. RK Nathan! Yay! Siya po yung palakpak. Dance kayo rin natin. Nathan. Tatlo na sila, trio. Nilaan lang. Ayan na. O, baka makain yung cake. Once again, palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga na ating 7 dance.
Teacher na.
Now,